Hey, happy Monday. It's Paulo Brantz with your Monday market update. I'm committed to getting this done in a minute and a half to 2 minutes. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and bring up those interest rate trends here. I want you to notice that this is a 30-day interest rate trend. Let me make it a little bit bigger for you. Or how do I do that here? There it is. All right, so the very top one right here is gonna be the 30-year jumbo. As you can see, it's kind of all over the board, but I want you to notice the 30-year conforming. As we go throughout the last 30 days, there's been a general increase in interest rates. But last Friday, we started to see a new trend, and hopefully that trend will continue this week, and that is in the form of lower interest rates. And we're going to get into the why and what's going to happen this week that's really going to greatly impact those numbers. Now, as a first-time home buyer, as a home buyer, as a realtor, it is so important to understand the changes that Fannie and Freddie Mac made about down payment and credit score, how it impacts rates. You see, when somebody sees one interest rate, that doesn't mean that's what you're going to get. Interest rate takes into consider down payment. It takes into consideration your credit score. So if you're looking to buy a home, if you have clients that are looking to buy a home, but they don't want to talk to a lender yet, it's sooner the better, because if we can help them formulate or improve their credit score, work out budgeting ways to get more down payment. As you can see here, the difference between, a 680 credit score and a 740 FICO score, I mean, we're almost talking 0.25% different interest rate. And that matters. That matters in this world right now. So if you have any questions on that, always reach out to me. Last week, pending home sales came out. We are starting to see a slowdown simply because if we go back 3 slides over, we saw interest rates have been trending up. And when interest rates trend up, people tend to put the brakes on and kind of wait to see what happens. And as it shows there by Lawrence Young, the NAR chief economist, that's exactly what he says. Consumers are showing extra sensitivity to changes in mortgage rates, and that's impacting home sales. Personal consumption expenditures, that's PCE, that's the Fed's favorite measure of inflation. This is where it's going to get a little bit dicey here, right? So they're committed to seeing that bottom number, that core year over year, to 2%. As we can see, we've seen a gradual decrease in inflation, but what the Fed is really looking for, it's going to make a big difference on what the job numbers come up this week. Are they satisfied that this trend is going to continue, or are they fearful that inflation is going to go back up? Because what they determine there will determine, in what they say, whether or not they're going to cut short-term interest rates, or if they're going to raise short-term interest rates, which definitely is going to have an impact on your mortgage. Man, it's already 3 minutes. Okay, why should you buy instead of rent? Here is a great tool that if you or your clients are not utilizing, you really got to see, exactly what the benefits of buying a home. You have appreciation, you have amortization, you have tax benefits. So simply just running a payment doesn't give you the full story. In fact, we're expecting single-digit appreciation through the next, 5 to 10 years. Great wealth can be created through single-digit appreciation. Hey, if you're out there, you have some questions, you just want to get together, we don't even have to pull applications. I'm just committing to getting you, your clients, your family, the best advice, and making sure that when the time is right for them to buy a home, that they are going to be in the best position to get the best interest rates, the best turn times, and we're going to make your dreams come true. So go ahead and click that QR code. I look forward to talking to you. And if I don't hear from you, have a great week. Paulo Brantz, Clear to Close Brokers. Take care.